So hello guys, welcome to my new vlog, and I'm starting this vlog with the terrace. And actually today is a very sad day because Utkarsh Bajpai is going to home, and I am not feeling very well because he is going home because अरे क्यों इतना because बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Yeah, because the main part of my vlog will be missing, and you can see how I will say, like, even my girlfriend was saying to me that now how I can roast Utkarsh like he's talking to his girlfriend with this slang. Even you can see right now he's talking to his girlfriend.
माता पिता का आशीर्वाद लेता हूँ।
किसका लेते हो?
माता पिता।
Yeah, here you can see. Like here you can see he's talking to his girlfriend even right now. Like he is going Bhopal after 2 hours and still he's talking to his girlfriend. You can see, guys. Like we have to go right now. We have to go for the breakfast. But how I can tell him that, like, just invest some time with me, guy. Bhai, I can't say him. So right now, guys, we are going for the breakfast, and I will also meet Priyanshu Nag right now. He came to Piparia day before yesterday. So yeah, I will meet. And guys, in the previous part, I have to Utkarsh C. भाई मैंने जानबूझ के उसको C बोला है, पता है? Because he is a girl, bro.
Looks
He
like
is a girl.
someone is trying to save his ass, huh?
No, I'm not saving my ass, guys. I have honestly said him C. He's C. Yeah, I will. Bye bye. So guys, Priyanshu Nag के घर आए हुए हैं. Like we came to the Priyanshu Nag's house, and right now he will change his clothes and then he will come. His daddy is sitting right now. You can say.
हम एक हैं। हम सब एक हैं।
So guys, we have finally came to Dokhi Dam. Here you can see, and here Priyanshu Nag and Utkarsh Bajpai is sitting. And this is something how it looks. और ये खड़ी हमारी धन्नो. It's something here. So guys, finally I'm back from the Dokhi Dam, and right now Utkarsh is doing his packing because he have to take the bus from Piparia to Bhopal, and he will travel on a first luxury bus, first class.
Dabba.
What?
Look at this shitty guy is not even coming with me to Bhopal.
Yeah, guys. Actually, I do have a work today. Like I have to get to my village. That's why I'm not able to. How I can say, like, that's why I'm not able to go with him. And like you can, he is right now flexing his body, like his stomach. Like here you can see. Yeah, here you can see. And actually this month, like, I have to upload the 15 vlogs that I've decided, and till now I've uploaded the 12 videos and 3 more videos to go. Then I will complete my achievement, and next month you are going to see the 14 videos. Bye bye. Guys, you can see how many clothes this guy has brought for Piparia trip. But you can see on my past video, like, he only use the 2 pair of clothes, like same lower, same t-shirt, and nothing else. Just say. Okay. And here is me, and you can always see me in this hoodie. Like, it's over 7 years and I'm wearing this. So guys, Utkarsh Bajpai has done his packing. Here you can see. He is also said like he's going to his home return. Just cry a little bit. And I have made a tea for him. So please have a tea, Utkarsh. Then you can do this work.
I'll have.
Why?
Just wait for a second.
Okay. So guys, this guy has finally woke up, and right now he is watching our vlog on TV. Okay. So guys, we are now, Utkarsh Bajpai is going to Bhopal. I am really feeling very sad. Like, my entertainment is going.
पापा जाते हैं बेटे बुरा लगता है।
बाप बनने का।
कहाँ जा रहे भैया?
भैया भोपाल तक जा रही, चलोगे भैया?
चलेंगे क्या कहाँ जा रही बस? कहाँ होते हुए?
क्या बोलते हैं, सोहागपुर भैया, बाबरी, होशंगाबाद, भोपाल भैया, इटारसी नहीं जाती है भैया।
इस शकल की मुंह के साथ कंडक्टर के साथ जाओगे?
नहीं, इतनी गंदी शकल। भैया चलिए भैया।
किराया क्या है?
200 रुपये भैया भोपाल का।
200 रुपये, पीछे घूमो।
नहीं भैया, ठीक है भैया, भैया बैग दे दीजिए भैया।
बैग नहीं मिलेगा आपको
भैया, प्लीज भैया।
दूर से बात करनी, जा
सॉरी भैया। So guys, bro is finally going. बुरा लग रहा है भाई, बहुत बुरा लग रहा है.
कंडक्टर बनने का सपना है मेरा.
So guys, finally it's the next day and I haven't recorded any vlog after the last clip because Utkarsh went and I was like I was not feeling well because he was with me like from the last 20-25 days. So right now I just got woke up and today I have to go in my friend's house for the Ganga Pujan because his father got expired before 13 days. So in a Hindu ritual, it's a thing there like you have to give through a like how I can say like तुम्हें पैसे तुम्हें खिलाना पड़ता है for the आत्मा की शांति के लिए. And right now I will clean the buttons and apart from that I will clean my house. So I will show you that. Bye bye. So guys, finally I have done the brush and right now I'm going to bring the milk and will make a tea for Abhishek Gautam because he's sleeping right now and he had a fever yesterday and I don't know that. So yeah, let me go and bring the milk. Guys, finally I have brought the milk and I will show you ki what Abhishek Gautam is doing right now. So guys, here you can see Abhishek Gautam finally woke up. Show your teeth. Oh, it's clean right now.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my vlog.
And right now I'm making a tea for him. So how you are feeling like I'm giving you a princess treatment? I make a tea, then I give you in your hands.
To be honest, I have never got such respect in my entire life. I'm feeling very proud.
Oh really?
It's a very tearful moment for me.
But I can't see any tear on your eyes.
Dehydration.
Ah, okay.
That's why.
But you are in Pipaya, you know here it is a lot of water, then why dehydration?
Actually, Dil ka dariya beh hi gaya. That's why there is drought everywhere.
Ah,
No
okay.
water.
So which tea you will drink? You will have tulsi or ginger one?
Tulsi plus ginger.
Ah, okay. Yeah, here you can see. Okay. So guys, finally it's a new day. Yesterday was too busy. Actually, for the whole day I was in Addu's house and I got back at 9 p.m. in the evening and I slept at 11 p.m. So from today I will make a regular vlog and right now he is going to Bhopal.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning guys. With this I am ending this vlog and I will upload this vlog today only. Bye bye.